Smiling Albie. Are you all happy that many of you got awards? The Talent Hunt 2025. Yeah, I can see one girl is very happy. Did you get an award? She did. How many did you get? One or six? Just one? How are you so happy with one? Oh my God. No, that's good. Be happy. All right, there you go. So we had some music, we had some speeches. Now it's time for dance. Are you all excited for dance? Are you all excited for dance? Performance by Nritya Radhana Dance School. Team Nritya Radhana will pay tribute to Adinata, Lord of Dance Nataraja. They will be performing this beautiful composition of Swati Tirunal in Ragam Gauri, set to Aditalam. Presented to you by Kumari Akshara, Kumari Sharada, and Kumari Tanisha. Can we encourage them with a huge round of applause? The stage is all yours. Dancers, please walk in now.
Shivaya Agadavum Baje Dhamarugam Baje Dhamarugam Nache Shankara Shri Giri Nada Prabhu Shankara Shri
Dittaganagadam, deep flow, Tanata, Tadum, 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 Tam, deep, Tanata, Tadum, 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 Tam, Tanata, Tadum, Tadum, Tadum.
Shankara Shri Nada Prabhu
Tagadivi, Tagajunu, Tati, Innatum, Tati, Innatum, Takatati, Innatum, Tati, Innatum, Takatati, Innatum, Takadikku, Tati, Innatum.
Shankara Shri Nada Prabhu Shankara Shri Nada Prabhu Shankara Shri Nada Prabhu Reta Virajita Chitra Bhame Shankara
జం తాం తరి దిం తరి దోం తరిగిన దోం నగది తగనక జం తాం తరి దిం తరి దోం తరిగిన దోం
ಗೊಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ
ತಾ 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 ದಿ 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 ತಾ ರಿ ತಾ ಸಾ ರಿ ತಾ ತಾ ಡ ತಾ ತಗುಂ ತರಿಗಿನ ತಗ ಜನ
ಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ದೇವ ಮುನಿರ ಬಗನ ವಿರಾಜ ತದೈ ತಗಿದ ತಗ ಶುದ್ಧ ವಿರಾಜ ತದು ಮನಾವ ಮನ ಗುಣ ವಿರಾಜ ತದೈ ತಗಿದ ತಗ ಶುದ್ಧ ವಿರಾಜ ತದು ಮನಾವ ಮನ ಗಗನ ವಿರಾಜ ಶಂಕರ ಶಂಕರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ
Glorious, glorious performance. The divinity of awesome. Is that the word, the right word? Thank you so much. Any other words coming to you? Wow, this lady has learnt a lot of English. What is that word, ma'am? You said something, she said splend fluid or something like. Actually, she's not learned much English at all. It's splendid, ma'am. Any other words? Awesome. Who's this kid? Awesome. It's very nice. Round of applause for them. We'll have a second dance performance from the same school, Nritya Radhana. Navashakti was conceptualized and choreographed by late Guru Srimati Padmini Ramachandran, taking the lyrics from Navashakti Shloka. Navashakti presented today is an adaptation from this particular choreography. Music composed and rendered by Vidwan Shri Balasubramanya Sharma. Natuvangam by Vidwan Shri Prasanna Kumar. Mridangam by Vidwan Shri Janardhan Rao. Veena by Vidwan Shri Gopal Venkatramana. And flute by Vidwan Shri Narasimha Murthy. This is Raga Malika and Tala Malika. You will see 9 forms of female energies here. And I would like to share their names and the form of energy that they would be representing. Srimati Sharmila Gupta as Brahmi, Kumari Nikita as Kumari, Kumari Akshara Gupta as Indrani, Kumari Akshara Gande as Maheshwari, Kumari Sudiksha Arvind as Varahi, Kumari Tanisha Nair as Saraswati, Srimati Manjusha Menon as Vaishnavi, Srimati Anjana Vinod as Durga, and finally Kumari Sharda Srinivasan as Chamundi. The participants seek the blessings of their Guru and the audience present here. Please give them a huge round of applause.
श्रीचक्रेश्वरी वरप्रदायक महेश्वरी शरणवरात्र श्रीचक्रेश्वरी वरप्रदायक महेश्वरी शरन्नवरात्र श्रीचक्रेश्वरी वरप्रदायक महेश्वरी सा सनि निदद मग सनि सगमग गमदम पदनि सा सनि निदद मग सनि सगमग गमदम पदनि सगमग सनि निसगस निद तनि सनि दम सगमदनि सस सगमदनि सस सगमदनि प्रमी ब्रह्मविद्याप्रदा ब्राह्मी वेदमूर्ति रुदारधिः ब्रह्मभावोन्नता नित्यं शास्त्रसर्वस्व संगता ब्रह्मविद्याप्रदा ब्राह्मी वेदमूर्ति रुदारधिः ब्रह्मभावोन्नता नित्यं शास्त्रसर्वस्व संगता पमगरिस पमगरिस रे रे गमतानि पमगरिस पमगरिस रे रे गमतानि गरि निरि निद निद मद मग मगरिस गमतनि स निरि गरि ग దని రి నిరి మదని దని గరి సని దని సరి సరి దని సని స మదని దని నిసని ద పగరి సని స నిసని దని సని ద పమ గమ పదని కౌమారి శంకరం వరయంతీయ कन्याकुमारिका देवी ध्यान तत्पर सुंदरी ध्यान तत्पर सुंदरी सरि ग म पद नि स सनि द प म गरि स सरि ग म गरि सनि सरि ग म प म गरि सरि ग म प द नि सरि ग प द नि सनि स सनि द प म प म गरि सनि इंद्राणी वज्रायुध धरा देवी महेंद्र महिषावरा इंद्राणी सांद्र सौभाग्य मातंग वरवाहिनी सरि ग मद सरि ग सरि ग द सरि ग मद सरि द सरि रे ग सानि द सरि ग स सनि द मग नि द मग स माहेश्वरी कैलासवासिनी वन्द्या ध्यान तत्पर विग्रहा वरदा भयदा देवी माहेश्वरी महोदया कैलास वासिनी वन्द्या ध्यान तत्परा विग्रहा वरदा भयदा देवी माहेश्वरी महोदया
तच्छं तन्नं ताताधितन्नं तर्रं ताताधितच्छं तर्किटतकधन्नं तर्किटतकतच्छं तर्किटतकधन्नं तर्किटतकताधीतं नं तर्किटतं तर्किटतर्किटतां तर्किटतर्किटतां तर्किटतर्किटतां
वारगी भूसन्त्राण परादेवी वाराहि विग्रमाद्भुता शङ्खचक्र करानित्यं दंष्ट्रभासुर विग्रहा भूसंत्राण परादेवी वाराहि विग्रमाद्भुता शङ्खचक्र करानित्यं दंष्ट्राभासुर विग्रहा सरिगमपदनी सनिधपमगमरिगमगरिसनी निस रिगम सरि गमपरिगमपद गरीसनि गरीसनि दपगमपदनि सरस्वती वीणा पुस्तक संयुक्ता स्फाटिक क्षमणी प्रभा मराळवाहिनी मान्य सरस्वती सदाहिता वीणा पुस्तक संयुक्त स्फाटिका क्षमणी प्रभा मराळवाहिनी मान्या सरस्वती सदाहिता सा सनिधपमपदनिधपमरि सरिरिमपदसा सरि मद सरि पद सम पद रिम पद रिम द सरि प पद सरि स मरि स इद प मरि स सरि प प म रि प पद प प प द सरि वैष्णवी वैष्णवी भार्गवी वाग्देवी त्रिगुणात्मिकी विन्ध्यविलासिनी भवती विद्यां देहि भगवती सर्वदा साधिके चण्डिके मां पाहि मातङ्गी मन्त्रात्मिके वैष्णवी भार्गवी वाग्देवी त्रिगुणात्मिके विन्ध्यविलासिनी भवति विद्यां देहि भगवती सर्वदा साधिके चण्डिके मां पाहि मातङ्गी मन्त्रात्मिके
झुन्नु झुन्नु त धिम्मि धिम्मि त झुन्नु झुन्नु त किटतक तरिकिटतुं झुन्नु झुन्नु त धिम्मि धिम्मि त झुन्नु झुन्नु त किटतक तरिकिटतुं झुन्नु झुन्नु त किटतक तरिकिटतुं धिम्मि धिम्मि त किटतक तरिकिटतुं झुन्नु झुन्नु त किटतक तरिकिटतुं किटतक तरिकिटतुं किटतक तरिकिटतुं
दुर्गा शार्दूलवाहिनी साध्वी खड्ग खेट करावर शार्दूलवाहिनी साध्वी खड्ग खेट करावर शुंभमर्दन लीला च दुर्गानि शुंभनाशिनी शुंभमर्दन लीला च दुर्गानि शुंभनाशिनी दुर्गानि चामुंडी 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 कायुदोत्थण्ड चामुण्डी कुपिताद्भुत चण्डमुण्ड वीराशार्थं सम्भूता सिंहवाहिनी शूलादि कायुदोदण्ड चामुण्डी कुपिताद्भुत श्रीमापनी सरि सरि मापनी सरि सरि मापनी मरि सरि मप मरि सनि परि सनि पम नि पप मरि स रि मप मरि म पनि प म प नि सनि प मरि सरि सनि परि स रि सनि प म सरि सरि म पनि सा ब्राह्मी कौमारी इंद्राणी माहेश्वरी वाराही सरस्वती वैष्णवी दुर्गे चामुंडी 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 नवशक्ति पाही 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 नवशक्ति पाही
I believe I don't have to say much. Your standing ovation did. What an exemplary performance. Please keep it going for. There is something so unique about Bharatanatyam. And I was speaking to a Bharatanatyam teacher once and asking, why don't you explain through words what the dance is about? And she said, most dances and most art forms are dumbing it down to people. But it's only Bharatanatyam and classical art forms that are saying, we will not dumb it down. We will ask the audience to rise up and understand. That's the beauty of this dance form, you know. Thank you so much. I would request Lingaraj sir and Brigadier sir to come on stage and felicitate the founder of Nritya Radhana Dance School, Srimati Sharmila Gupta. I'm taking some liberty to share this. You know, people think, there's a certain limit to when you can start dancing or how young or old you need to be to dance. This lady here has a 25-year-old daughter. I'll let you soak that in. She's 25. I mean, yes, she could be. But she has a 25-year-old daughter who's studying masters in the United States. This lady here. For Nritya Radhana. Thank you for delighting us with that exemplary performance. Hey, quick check. Do you think I look better with my hair tied or hair open?